Next up is BT, also known as Bacillus thuringiensis. This is a naturally occurring bacterium found in the soil. You have to think about this as like a sniper rifle used to take care of problem pests specifically and will not damage the good bugs such as your bees and your butterflies. Now, BT can be used in many different ways depending on your plant and the magnitude of the infestation that you have. Now here you see I have a very bad vine borer damage, so I'm actually going to be injecting BT directly into the stem of the plant with a syringe needle. Now, make sure that you do this with a clean technique. Get a brand new alcohol swab and clean the site that you actually will be puncturing. Remember, plants are organisms also, so treat them as so. Now, you want to inject about 1/2 inch to 1 inch of the hollow part of the base of the stem. This will actually kill the vine borer within about 24 to 48 hours. And after you finish injecting, you can place a band-aid or even Elmer's glue to the site.
Now, check out the cucumber plant that was absolutely decimated by vine borers a week ago. We used BT for it, and now look at the progress. Very, very beautiful new growth, and it has recovered so well that now we have cucumbers actually growing, but not one, not two, not three, not four, not five, not six, but well over 7, 8, 9. I think that's another 10 in the back right there. 11 new cucumbers that are growing off this plant. It has recovered so well. And that's why I say party time is actually my favorite cucumber to grow. It is prolific. It does not give a damn. It'll bounce back as long as you help her out. Put her in the ER. Give her that Medicaid, that BT, and she'll come back to you.
Thank you for watching Easy Homestead, and please make sure to subscribe to our channel for a chance to win exotic plants such as Japanese koshu grape, purple sweet potato, and even yucca. Thank you, and catch you on the next one.